Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing for you guys a first impression / review of the Riviera palette along with the highlighter set, the facial spray, the setting spray, and also the new Dipbrow, what is this called? Dipbrow Gel. So obviously first things first, we're going to be starting with the palette. I just want to show it to you guys really quickly because this is actually like, I don't think I can fully describe how much I love this packaging. So it's this really nice, like canvas almost feeling, I don't know, it's like it's awesome. And then, let me show you guys the inside. It's so bright and colorful. It's springtime in a palette. This is super pretty. While we're doing all this, I'm going to have a picture of all the swatches right up here in this corner for you guys to kind of glance at while I'm doing this. But I kind of think that what I want to do, I don't know if I definitely don't want to use the pink. I know how much of a cop-out that sounds like, but the last couple looks I've been filming have used pink. So I don't really, as much as I want to play with the shade Bahamas, I kind of want to go for a blue and yellow look, maybe? I don't know. So the first thing I'm going to do, though, before I make up my mind about what kind of eye look I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and prime. And today I'm going to prime my eyes using the ColourPop No Filter Concealer in the shade Fair 5. I'm just going to go ahead and go crazy with some concealer up in here. Now I'm going to take my Morphe G34 brush. I'm going to go ahead and blend out this base. This definitely is a little bit too dark. Probably should have gone with the shade up from this, but it looked way too light online. But this one's definitely a little bit too orangey for me and for my skin tone. I don't know if you guys can really see on camera the difference in this shade. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take the shade Coastline, which is kind of like a, actually first thing I'm going to set my eyes because I'm going to do that for this one. If you hear anything in the background, it's Atticus. He's playing with one of his toys. Okay, now I'm going to take that shade, the shade Coastline. I'm going to go in with this brush that I got from I don't know, I think I got it in a BoxyCharm. I'm going to take that shade Coastline, the kind of peachy looking color, and I'm going to keep this high because I think I might do a cut crease, but I'm not 100% sure quite yet. I also really love the names in this palette. Can I say that? Can I say that this has some of the cutest names I've heard in quite some time? I would just love to be the person in charge of naming things like this. So Coastline, Cabana, Palm, Mediterranean, Estate, like it's all very luxe. Great. So now that I've done that, what I'm going to take is the purple shade over here, which is called Cans. And I'm going to take this guy and I'm going to buff it into my, what's this? My outer edge. I'm going to do that using a Morphe M433 brush. That's a really nice, pretty, vibrant purple going down there. Good Lord. I'm also kind of dragging it into my crease just a little bit so that way it's nice and even. There's that. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back in with the shade Coastline so I can kind of amplify this a little bit more in the front portion of my eyes. Just like that. And now I'm gonna take a little bit of my concealer onto the back of my hand. Like so. And I'm going to take this shader brush from BH Cosmetics. I'm going to pick up this. And now really quickly, just to reinforce the purple, I'm now going to go in with the shade Inheritance, which is the nice bright shiny gold. I'm going to go in with that on a different shader brush. Let's use okay, I'm going to go with my Sigma E56 brush with the shade Inheritance. And I'm going to go on the inner portion right here. I'm going to take this about to the midway point on my lid. Just going to go over it a little bit more to make it a little bit more foiled looking. Okay, great. Now I'm going to really quickly clean that shader brush off, the one that I just used. And I'm going to go in with the blue shade, which is called Seychelles. This really, okay, there we go. This really beautiful, vibrant blue color. I'm going to pick that up on the same shade of brush. I'm going to go ahead and start packing it on. Oh, yes. Just going to leave it like that for a second. I know it's not blended quite yet. We're going to get there. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the original purple shade and I'm just going to really quickly rebuild up my outer edges just that little bit more so that blue blends on both sides. And then of course just kind of dragging like that into the purple on both sides. And I'm not adding any extra product here, I'm just, you know, doing this. I'm going to really quickly clean off the shader brush, not that it really matters, but I don't want a bunch of purple on it right now. I'm going to go ahead and start blending the blue into the gold, like that. The two of these actually blend together really nicely. I know on camera it kind of looks like I've got 3 different tones going on, and I mean I kind of do. I'm also going to take my original crease brush, this one from my, whatchamacallit, my BoxyCharm, and I'm going to take the shade Monte Carlo, which is the pinky shade, and I'm going to use this up on my outer edge out here, just like that. And now I'm going to take some black liner, and let's go ahead and do this. Got one wing, tiny one, just a tiny little wing. We don't need anything too crazy. We want the eyeshadow to speak for itself. Now that's done. Should I put on lashes now? No, we'll put on lashes after. So, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead, do my face. No, you know what I'm going to do first? We're going to do this. So here's the thing. I don't know. Let me look this up really quickly. I'm wondering if it's supposed to be like a standalone product, like to be used in place of a Brow Wiz or not. Eyeshadow palettes are self-explainable, so are highlighters and setting sprays, but let's take a look, shall we? The limited edition Dipbrow Gel collection by ABH includes full sizes, blah, 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 blah. I got taupe, which is, it matches my natural brows, which is why I got it. Why you'll love it. A highly pigmented brow gel featuring a long-lasting waterproof formula for creating fuller-looking, defined brows. Perfect amount of product. Okay, so apparently it's supposed to be used on its own, so we're going to do this and see how it looks without me applying the tail ends of my brows, which is what I'm predominantly missing. So let's go ahead and start on this end. Holy hell. Like, can you guys... Oh my god. ABH. Thank you so, so much. Oh my god. Woo! Okay, I'm super happy about this actually. ABH coming through. Guys. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, wait, shit, I missed. Okay. So here's the downside. If you're not very careful, you will get it everywhere. Just throwing that out there right now. I'm gonna really quickly also put on some mascara. And obviously, I don't need to already go ahead and set my brows since they're set in place. So let's just do this and really quickly throw on some mascara. Okay, so off camera, what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to go ahead and do my face, my concealer, blush, bronzer, and my lashes, and I'll be back to show you guys the highlighter and setting spray. So I did my blush, my bronzer. I'm still feeling very pale. I should have picked a different... I don't know which highlighter to go with. Do I want to be icy white or do I want to be golden? I kind of want to do golden, but at the same time, I don't know if that's quite the shade I'm looking for this. So we're going to go with the silver, which means I now have to fucking open this shit. Also, side note, I'm not going to do my lower lash line because my left eye is watering incessantly and it's pissing me off. Those are such a pain to open. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to follow the instructions, which were to tip, shake, tip, and go. So I'm going to use my thing right over here. Pick up this white. And I'm going to go ahead and put this right up here on my cheek. Oh. Oh. Can you guys see that? I regret this decision. I regret this decision immensely. Holy shit. Ugh. Okay, here's the worst part about all of this. It's like chunky. Like ABH. Okay, hold on a second. Okay. I mean, I get that it's called snowflake and it's coming out looking like little snowflakes, but seriously? This is like... It looks like chunky silver. It doesn't look soft, reflective. It just looks like straight up chunky silver on my face. And it won't like... I was hoping maybe it can buff out. I mean, it kind of does a little. Okay, I guess this is good. Okay, I get it. I don't know, guys. Would adding this one on top of it help or make it worse? Shall we test it on one side? It doesn't really do anything to help or make it any better or worse, so. Whatever. No big deal. I'm going to skip doing it on my nose though because of how this is. I'm going to go ahead and set my face using the Dewy set. Also, side note, I had the struggle of my life getting these lashes on my face. And for anybody wondering, they are the House of Lashes mini Siren lashes. Okay. Now the last step, I'm going to do a nice bright lip matte. No, I want it satin. So we're going to go in with this one by ColourPop, which is called Trixie. Holy hell. Okay. Well, I'm feeling very neon, and my one eye keeps watering so much that my lash is popping off, and I don't want to put in the effort to make it stay. I have to hurry and wrap this up because my battery's about to die. The palette, I think, is great. Great colors, great pigmentation. I think there's definitely a lot you can do with this. The setting spray I like. No qualms about this guy. It seems to do a really nice dewy job. The highlighters. I think I've got to keep playing with these because I'm, to be honest, not that impressed. They're not that good. So I'm going to keep playing with these, and I think I might update you guys later on them, but right now, maybe like a 4 out of 10. The Dipbrow Gel, I think, for being a gel where it can't be super precise like a pencil, it did a really good job. I mean, my brows are very in place. They're very thick and full. I just wish, you know, if you're someone who already has a nice shaped brow and you just need to make them thicker and fuller, this is amazing. This is what you want. If you're someone like me and you're missing half your brows, you might still want to fill in what you're missing and then go in with this. And I think in the future, that's what I'm going to do instead of just going in with it right off the bat. So palette is a yes. Eyebrow gel is a yes. This is a yes. These are an eh. So I would think it through before you guys purchase these. That is everything. If you guys enjoy seeing me review launches and stuff like this from different brands, let me know so I can make a list of some other upcoming launches that I'd be happy to review for you guys. As always, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also, while you're down there, subscribe. Super easy, takes 2 seconds. And if you don't want to miss any future videos, be sure that you hit the notification bell, that way you know when I'm uploading those videos. And last but not least, leave me all your questions, comments, concerns, suggestions down in the comments below. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye. Maybe I should actually get all this out before I do anything with it. Ooh, my hair, my hair, my hair. Hello. Okay, here's the thing. There is literally nowhere for you to go. Okay, anywho. You can literally, if you really want to, you can stretch out right here. But this is the only spot I can offer you, so you've got to lay down. I put too much of the lipstick on, and it's starting to cake up in a circle. My eyelash is popping off.